Hello, welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Depperschmidt. Today we're going to continue working with higher numbers, and we're going to compare determining which number is higher or lower than another number. If we're going to answer the question which number is higher, greater, 26,354 or 26,528, the first way in deciding which answer is correct is by comparing the numbers in a place value chart. When you write them one above the other, it's easy to see which values in the place value columns compare, how they are higher or lower than each other. To decide which number is higher, you always start on the left-hand side with the highest value column. In this case, it's the 10,000s. We can see that for both of these numbers, they share a 2 in the 10,000s column, which means 20,000. Only knowing that, we can't determine which number has the greatest value, so we need to move to the right and check the thousands column. Once again, we see they both share the same digit there, 6,000s, so we move one more time to the hundreds, where we can see that one number has 300 and the other has 500. 500 is a greater number, so we choose 26,528 as the number having the highest value. When it's time to write this relationship using the greater than symbol, we need to remember that the greater number goes on the side of the symbol that has the more space. The open side gets the greater number. And we'll say, in this case, that 26,528 is greater than 26,354. If we wanted to use the less than symbol to compare these same two numbers, we would just trade places with the numbers and say that 26,354 is less than 26,528. Both statements are correct as long as you use the reverse symbol, either the greater than or less than, to make it correct. And they would look like this. I've drawn a little cartoon character for the mouse so you can see the image that I use to help myself remember which way to point the greater than and less than symbol. Once you've learned how to compare numbers and determine the greater one, we'll be working with putting numbers in order, especially numbers in the higher digits. If you would get something that writes and a piece of paper, because I think that will be helpful for the little game we're going to play next. The objective for this game is to put these numbers in order from greatest to least. We'll use the two numbers we've already worked with this time, 26,528, 26,354, 2,652, and 25,436. Put these numbers in order from greatest to least. Okay, this is the way they should go. The highest number in that group is 26,528. Next is 26,354, then 25,436, and now 2,652. We'll work with more numbers like this in class, putting them in order from greatest to least. If you'd like to try a few more, work with these and see how much fun you can have. Do the same game, putting these numbers in order from greatest to least. 6,842, 20,139, 63,817, and 5,507. Have fun. Have a great day. Please be kind, and I'll see you at school. Goodbye.